Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated indoor air quality monitors. Air quality monitors are considered a necessity by many people, especially highly sensitive individuals. As the name suggests, these devices will alert you if it reads unsafe levels using an indicator light or a notification directly to your smartphone or tablet. This function is especially useful if you're living in an area prone to wildfires, which creates an unhealthy environment for the lungs. To help you out, our team has gathered the 7 top-rated air quality monitors available in the market so that you can choose the best one for your home. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the indoor air quality monitors that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first indoor air quality monitor on our list is the Stellate Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor. This scientific air quality detection device monitors your indoor space using its combination of multiple air sensors and built-in fan. It is powered by a lithium battery with a 3000 mAh capacity, which offers 2 hours of continuous monitoring. In terms of size, this gadget measures 6.7 by 5.9 by 2.9 inches and weighs only 11.99 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Stellate Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its 9-in-1 functionality that detects levels of formaldehyde, temperature, humidity levels, particulate matter in the air, and volatile organic compounds. Its air quality meter that self-calibrates and uses air sensors as well as built-in fan for constant airflow in real-time measurements. Its alert monitoring system if the air quality in your kitchen, living room, bedroom, or any other part of your house reaches harmful levels. Its main display, which features color-coded indicators for easy reading. The device's portability and a built-in battery that allows you to monitor airflow anywhere you go. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Stellate Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor are: it takes a little time to get used to all its settings. The battery life does not stay long. The second indoor air quality monitor on our list is the IQAir AirVisual Pro Air Quality Monitor. The AirVisual Pro delivers immediate and accurate indoor air quality measurements to help you maintain a healthy and safe home environment. With the device's tailored recommendations, alerts, and smart home integration, you'll be able to understand where the pollutants in the air come from and enable you to take control of the situation. In terms of size, the device has dimensions of 4 by 7.25 by 3.25 inches and weighs 1.72 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the IQAir AirVisual Pro Air Quality Monitor a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its real-time display of indoor air quality readings, temperature, and humidity levels, its compatibility with Wi-Fi for easy monitoring through your mobile devices, its professional-grade sensors that combine AI technology with a user-friendly interface, its air quality indicator and ability to give a weather forecast as well as monitor indoor temperature, the gadget's high-precision laser technology that monitors particulate matter as well as its industrial-grade carbon dioxide sensor. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the IQAir AirVisual Pro Air Quality Monitor are: the device is not weatherproof. It's a bit pricey. The third indoor air quality monitor on our list is the Airthings 4200 House Kit Air Quality Monitor. The Airthings House Kit is equipped with all the necessities to help you monitor the quality of your air for a safe and healthy home. Included in the set are Airthings Wave, Mini Wave, and Hub, which function to bring everything online. This enables you to gain visibility into indoor air contaminants in multiple rooms in your home, no matter where you are located. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Airthings 4200 House Kit Air Quality Monitor a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its device's remote access, which allows you to easily control indoor settings, its mold risk indicator that will alert you when the conditions in space are at risk of mold growth, its smart radon detector that keeps you safe from radioactive and invisible gas coming from the ground, its Wave Mini device that tracks high-quality important indoor air quality factors to ensure that your living area is safe, the Airthings Hub that monitors online 24/7 and provides on-demand access to your indoor air quality data. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Airthings 4200 House Kit Air Quality Monitor is: you will only be able to create a new account through the website, not the app. The fourth indoor air quality monitor on our list is the Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor. This minimalist air quality monitor sports a compact design and features 4 functions in a single device. It boasts a sizable LCD screen and a single button that allows you to take control of the entire device. It is worth noting that the air quality monitor's battery runs for up to 6 hours at a full charge, which is a lot longer than most. In terms of size, the unit measures 3.23 by 1.22 by 3.23 inches and weighs 7 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its large and clear reading interface that features 3 color indicator lights for an easy viewing even at a distance. Its 4-in-1 multifunctionality with a sensitive Temtop 3rd generation laser particle sensor and a Dart electrochemical sensor. Its ability to give you an overview of the formaldehyde, particulate matter, and air quality index level in your home. Its reliable health parameter guide and easy-to-use LCD display settings. Its lightweight and portable profile that allows you to bring the device with you wherever you go. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor are: there's no available application programming interface on the server that can view the data via an app. There is no setting to dim the lights. The fifth indoor air quality monitor on our list is the Huma-i Portable Air Quality Monitor. The Huma is built to address the major concerns of parents with children whose immune system is a bit weak. Since a parent's concern is to bring up their kids in a safe and healthy environment, this device allows you to see invisible air pollution by measuring air quality in a snap. With pocket-sized portability, you will be able to conveniently bring the device along with you no matter where you go. In terms of size, the Huma measures 3.58 by 1.61 by 1.46 inches and weighs 2.12 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded Huma-i Portable Air Quality Monitor a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its built-in fan to quickly draw in ambient air to provide you with real-time measurements, its ability to measure levels of carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, and particulate matter, its ease of use allowing you to easily read real-time air quality results in graph or icon mode via its OLED display just by toggling a one-touch button, its stylish and durable design that protects the device during your activities, its advanced sensors to measure temperature and humidity. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Huma-i Portable Air Quality Monitor are: the LED light is a bit bright. The device shuts off if not plugged in the power after a few minutes. The sixth indoor air quality monitor on our list is the Eve Room Indoor Air Quality Monitor. With the Eve Air Quality Monitor, measuring indoor air quality, temperature, and humidity are just a glance away. This device features a super compact profile and is equipped with all-new precision sensor technology. It is furnished with a customizable display and encompassed by a sleek aluminum bezel. The Eve provides data into detailed graphs by hours, days, weeks, months, and years, so you can have an overview of how everyday activities impact air quality. When it comes to size, this small gadget measures 0.59 by 2.13 by 2.13 inches and weighs 1.6 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Eve Room Indoor Air Quality Monitor a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the device works with Apple HomeKit for easy viewing and monitoring of air quality, its air quality rating feature that allows you to gauge the air pollution level at present, its high contrast e-ink display that allows you to view air quality, temperature, and humidity at a glance, the detection function of harmful volatile organic compound levels that comes from furniture, electronics, and toys, its alert feature to know when to ventilate your child's room, sleeping spaces, living room, or kitchen. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the Eve Room Indoor Air Quality Monitor are: there are no available settings to change the Celsius reading. The device blinks a bit when switching the view interface. The seventh indoor air quality monitor on our list is the EG Air Quality Monitor. The EG Air Quality Monitor is capable of checking multiple measures of your home's air quality. It delivers real-time accurate monitoring of temperature, humidity, and pollutants in your home. This air quality monitor with a built-in stand can continuously monitor your air quality and tells you where the air quality is poorer and where your allergies worsen. When it comes to size, this device measures 5.9 by 2.8 by 1.7 inches and weighs 10.86 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the EG Air Quality Monitor a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on its advanced laser sensor that accurately detects the level of dust particles, its portable air quality testing feature that allows you to check the formaldehyde present at home, the device's alert feature that tells you when to change the air filter for a continuous clean airflow, its clear LCD display and large numbers for easy reading, its monitoring feature that prevents buildup of polluted air to avoid an asthma attack or any health problems. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the EG Air Quality Monitor is the device does not have backlight dimming settings. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated indoor air quality monitors, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next indoor air quality monitor roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.